So hello everyone, this is the demonstration video for weld penetration inspection system. So as we receive this sample from the customer end and they have a requirement to measure the weld penetration. For that the process will be in 4 stages. First, the cutting of the component. So we require to cut the sample of the welding part. After that the second process is polishing of the component. Third process is etching of the component, and fourth is weld penetration inspection measurement on our software. So we are going to show you the complete procedure. So this is our first process, cutting of the sample. So you can see the sample has been clamped and we are going to cut the sample like this. After that this, and we will remove the weld portion of this area. So it is clamped in our machine. Now going to start the cutting. So as you can see, the sample has been cut like this. Now going to open it and going to fix like this. So now the sample has been clamped vertically. Going to close the door and start the cutting. So sample has been cut. And this is the cut sample. Now we will move to our second process, that is the polishing of the component. After cutting the sample, we are moving to our second process, that is polishing of the component. So we are going to polish this component on this machine. Firstly we are going to use on emery paper, then polishing cloth. So polishing of the component has been done. You can see this is our final product after polishing. Now we are moving to our third process, that is etching of the component. For etching we are using nitrile 3%. So we are going to etch the component and show you what happened after etching. We etch the component using 3% nitrile, and this is the final product. Now we are going to place this component under the microscope and we will use our metallurgical weld penetration impression measurement system to measure the weld penetration of this component. Final process. In this process we are using our microscope and weld penetration inspection software to measure the weld penetration. For that I already made a program which is selected here, and magnification has been also selected. Now going to open the camera. This is our live camera, live image. Going to place the component on the microscope. So this is the component. Focusing it, adjusting the light as per our requirement. So component is focused now. Taking the snap of the component. Snap has been taken. This is the captured image, and this is already pre-planned program which I saved in the computer. Now going to do the measurement. For doing the measurement we are going to use the 2D tools for measurement. So firstly I am going to select the line tool. Going to draw the lines, reference line. This is first reference line. This is my second reference line. Now going to use the curve tool for curve 1. Now going to draw the second curve. This is second curve. using the point tool for leg measurement. Going to use the line tool again for throat measurement. Now going to input all values. For that I am going to use compute. So my penetration 1 is from leg L1 to U1, and which is also longest distance. So in object 1 I am selecting L1, and in objective 2 I am selected U1, and here longest find. See, this is my penetration 1 distance. Similarly, going to measure the penetration 2, that is L2 to U2. This is my penetration 2 distance. Penetration 2 distance. This is my penetration 2. For thickness measurement, I am using a direct tool from here and going to measure the thickness directly, like here. This is my thickness 2. When I measure the penetration 1 and thickness 1, percentage penetration automatically calculated. Doing the same thing with thickness 2 using the direct tool. This is my thickness 2 and accordingly penetration 2. For leg 1, this intersection point and this point P1. So here going to compute leg 1 also, that is I1 to P1, find. Similarly leg 2, that is I1 to P2, I1 to P2, find. Similarly throat measurement I1 to L3, I1 to L3, find. So our all measurement done. After measuring the data, if user required to generate the report, he simply come here, click on create report, and this type of report will be generated containing the letterhead, input data, measurement with the image, and these all data. User can also here input their expected value and the tolerance value. If the expected observed value come within the expected value, here pass fail remark will appear. So this is our complete process for weld penetration inspection. If you have any further query, you can contact with us. Thank you.